My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
What's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host Tim, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below, and it'll be right there, right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, cool. Just came back home from vacation. That's why y'all gonna have to excuse my appearance. A little bit dusty and dirty and everything like that. I literally just walked in the door probably 10 minutes ago. Got a package delivered. It came a lot faster than what I thought, because it was supposed to be here on Thursday. Today's Sunday, and it was supposed to be on Thursday, and it came today. Like I ordered this on, I think, Wednesday. I can't remember the actual release date for this shoe. June 20th. Yeah, I guess because it came like 45 days ago. Anyway, I already know what it is, because I have been chilling on shoes. I'm not gonna show y'all. I just got rid of a lot of shoes. So I've been chilling on shoes. So haven't really been doing content for sneakers like that. I just came back from New Orleans. I should have did a vlog down there, but nah, I just didn't. It's hard for everybody. Keep telling me, yo, Tim, do travel vlogs. And I'll be real with you, it's hard for me to do a travel vlog because I like to be in the moment. I like to enjoy the time while I'm out, and I feel like if I'm recording and stuff like that, it's gonna take away from me actually, enjoying the time. But anyway, yep, this is exactly what I knew it was. Yep, boom, box. Hey, there we go. Nothing else in it. Okay, cool. Brown standard Nike box, the throwback type. It reads Air Zoom Generation. Color is court purple, violet court. Yep. Suggested retail price was $190. This is a size 8.5, so you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. Boom. All right. So without further ado, and what I learned from the other Zoom generations is they are neatly, nicely packaged. Like, as far as like, look at that. Yeah, we got 1 wrap, 2 wrap, 3 wrap. So like that's, oh, these look so much better in person. All right, so without further ado, we got the Air Zoom Generation Court Purple. Boom. All right, like I said, this is the Air Zoom Generation in the court purple colorway, aka the LeBron 1s. These are LeBron 1's first silhouettes of this shoe. I think he's in like LeBron 21 right now, I think, or 20s or something like that. So yeah. So I got 2 other colorways. Oh, I actually have 3 other colorways of this, but I have the first game, what they call it the first game. It's really the first home games. The link for that review will be right there. I have the ones that just recently came out. That's Chewy playing with the box. I have the ones that just recently came out, maybe like last month or the month before last, 2 months ago at the latest, which is the Wolf Gray colorway. I like those. That review will be up there, right there. Yeah, and I also have what I call the first game, was the ones that LeBron wore in his first game in the NBA against the Sacramento Kings. I don't think I have a review for that. So, but anyway, these are the court purple ones. This is actually like a PE. So I got some information off of sneakers, which I never really do, but I thought sneakers had interesting. 3, 2, 1. It should be up now. I thought sneakers had some very interesting information. I usually go to Nice Kicks or KicksOnFire or Sneaker Bar, Detroit, stuff like that. But I got some information off of sneakers.com. So shout out to sneakers.com. As y'all can read on the screen, because it will be right next to me right there. Should have been up there already. But it reads Air Zoom Generation Cold Purple 190. Step into LeBron's shoes. This drop gets you pretty close. Crafted with lavish nubuck and supple suede, our kingly take on the Air Zoom Generation takes you straight to LA. Nod into the one-of-one pair LeBron was courtside in the 2018. The court purple and chrome accent sets you up with the iconic hoop style, cooling off the lit look, and icy outsole finish every step. And this is more pictures of it. I'm gonna let y'all see all of this. Boom, like that. Or there's 2 extra pictures, like that. Yeah. So it'll be, you can read that if you want to on the side, but it wasn't that big of a big detail. Let me stop that right about now. Stop. I'm actually going to show y'all what y'all talking about. Like I said, so when LeBron came to play for the Lakers, when he signed in the offseason, like 3 years ago, I think it was 3 years ago, 3 years ago, I think it was 3 years ago, the signed the Lakers, he went to a summer league game to watch the young Lakers play, and LeBron came with the Lakers shorts, and he wore some Zoom Generations, and everybody was like, "Yo, what are those? Like, what?" It was like the Laker colorway, this purple, and matter of fact, I'm showing you right now. It was a dope, and I was always hoping he would bring them out, and he finally did. So let me see, LeBron James, court purple. Let's go. I'm trying to find exactly the image of, so I can show y'all when he was. Oh, there it is. Okay, so let me just pull it up. There we go. So I'm gonna pull it up again. 3, 2, 1. Should be on the right side with me right there. As you see right there, that's that picture right there. See if I can zoom that in for y'all. Boom, there we go. That was him courtside at the Lakers game, wearing these, and that was a while ago. I think it was like 3 years ago, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So everybody's waiting for these. I like the purple on it, and okay, let me stop that. Boom. All right. So all purple shoe, suede nubuck. Mixture right there. That purple is just nice, man. You got a shiny purple right there going around, and you also got that suede nubuck purple right there, where it's more of like matted kind of. Got the air debris right there. Got the signature LeBron right there. You can pull this off. This is just the peel. It says peel off. You can just peel this little sticker on that's covering up like the black. It's like, let's see right there.
For protection.
Right there. So I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna keep that on there right there. All in all, I mean, it's a pretty sweet. I like this yellow. I mean, it does nothing. This is not a button. There's nothing else yellow in it, but it's just different. I like that. It just stands apart. Translucent bottom, carbon fiber on the bottom like that. No extra laces in this. No extra laces needed. These do fit true to size. So if you are narrow foot or wide foot, go according to that. But I like the shoe. I was really anticipating the shoe. It is still located on Sneakers app to this moment. I can still see it. I'm not gonna put that back on the screen, but as you can see, the price tag is still right there, so you can still get it. Let me see if I can change my size. Make sure this don't charge me. Okay, let me just try to change it. Okay, so 7 through 10.5 is available. No 11, no 11.5, no 12, and so on. 12.5, 13, 14, 15. But the small sizes to the 10 and the 10.5 is available. As you see that, if you want your pair, go get it. Go secure your pair. But all in all, I think it's a good shoe. I like it. I like the purple. I like it. I just got rid of a LeBron purple shoe too. I forgot it was a LeBron low. Forgot what number it was. I think it was like 18 or something like that, and I love that shoe. It was a dope shoe, but I had it for a long time, and I'm glad this came out because I wanted to get rid of that shoe to replace it, and I wouldn't have got this if I still had it because it was a lighter purple than this, but still was an all purple LeBron. I'm trying to see if I can find that picture so I can show y'all. I don't know which LeBron that was. I can't remember. I lost track of like his numbers, like that, because it's been so many of them. Let me just see that, and then we're gonna wrap this video up for y'all. Where's that? I wore it a long time ago. I should have just looked it up on Google to show y'all, but I wanted to show y'all the fit too. Here we It should be coming up right. Here we go. Yep. These are LeBrons I was talking about. See that? I don't know which number that is, but I know it's LeBron lows. But and the fit was official, people. The fit was official, people.
Only the jacket.
The fit that's a crew neck, it's not a jacket.
Still
but,
the same.
Alright, but the fit was official. That's back when I used to have dreads. The fit was official, people. But one more picture. Yeah. So don't have that no more. So I'm glad I got an all-purpose shoe. All in all, good shoe. Classic. What you think about the shoe? 1 to 10, what you gonna give it?
8.5.
8.5. You like it because it's purple?
Yeah.
It's a nice shoe. It's a nice shoe. 8.5. I'm not mad at that.
Fuzzy.
That's the new buck. Yeah, the new buck. I think yeah. So maybe the suede. I'm always confused. No, suede is this part. Yeah. Suede's new buck is the fairy. I'm gonna give it 8. I like it 8. Yeah, I'll give it 8. I'm not gonna give it a 10. I don't want to match your rate. I'm gonna go 8. I'm okay with 8.5 though. I think it's a very good shoe. Very nice purple, nice shade of purple. I like it. It's a good shoe though. Anyway, y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think about the Air Zoom Generation Core Purple. It was a cop, was a drop. Did you get it? Did you pass on it? Do you like the LeBron ones? Are you a LeBron fan? Leave all the comments below. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, Sneaker Instagram, my man's Instagram, all the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Team aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Team's Kicks. The whole team squad, you know what to do. Have a nice day.